Well, I don't know if they're poor poll numbers. They've been stagnant to some extent.
Stagnant for 4 years.
Over a period of time.
4 years.
But where Fianna Fáil has come from in the 2011 election, where our epitaph has been written by many,
but you're
a lot of people said
on the same poll rating as you were in 2011.
Well, with respect, you're comparing polls to actual electoral results. Now, if you compare the series of electoral results that have taken place along the way since 2011, we've performed well ahead of the polls on all occasion. And I don't want to keep reminding people of how well we did at the local elections. I mean, our whole strategy from 2011 was, at a time, first of all, at a time when the general narrative was Fianna Fáil are finished. They'll never be able to get up from this drubbing that they've gotten by the electorate, and they probably won't exist come the local elections. And that was a real challenge. And we sat down and we said, how are we going to manage this? And our big thing was to retain and hold our councillors, because it was very possible as we moved towards the local elections that councillors would say, Fianna Fáil is so damaged, we're not going to stay with the programme, we're going to go independent, and we're going to join other parties. And we succeeded in retaining the bulk of our councillors to face the election, and we increased their numbers very significantly when we went before the Irish people. So to us that was a very considerable measure of success, and it validated the decision that we had taken, which was retain what we have, work hard at coming forward with some new ideas, new proposals, support the government insofar as we can on the areas that we share their views, and when we don't challenge them but put forward alternatives. And that worked. And even though we were still relatively low in the polls on the run into the local elections, I don't know, we got 26-27%, we're the biggest party at local government level. And what that has given us is a suite of new people and candidates to contest the next general election.